Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and we are going to start. Do you work or study?
Sir, I have completed my study and I'm not working nowadays, but I have experience of 5 to 6 days in 2020.
All right. What do you do in your spare time?
I mostly watch dramas or I like cooking, so I do that.
Okay. Do you have enough free time?
Yes, as I have plenty of free time because I am free nowadays. I'm at home. I have too much time.
Okay, your answers are extremely short, and you pick up the answer from my question, you speak the same thing, and then you finish your answer abruptly. So you need to give a proper conclusion, and there should be a little explanation, like there should be 4 5 sentences in your answer. Let's go on. What's your favorite day of the week?
Um, it depends on what is happening in the week. Um,
All right, that's good. So if your examiner smiles in your speaking test, it's a very dangerous sign. Okay. All right. So let's move on to speaking part 2. This is your topic, and you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes, sir, my topic is describe something that surprised you and made you happy. I have got many surprises in my life, but the most happiest surprise that I got is from my recent birthday. I got it from my brother and my sister, and it was mostly my birthday. My birthday is celebrated on 2nd September, but my brother arranged it on 1st September, so that I got a beautiful surprise. And it was a normal day, and I was not
Come on.
I was not hoping that I will get it. So we were upstairs and we were going to sleep. My brother said that I have to go because my friend is calling and he's out of patrol and I have to go to help him out. So he was out help he was out of the home. He go out of the home, and I was sleeping. I was in a half of my sleep. And then my sister asked that, "Appy, come down." I come downstairs, and my brother was standing there with balloons and cakes, and my aunt was also there, and there were two cakes.
Okay, thank you. So overall, it's fine. Try to summarize your ideas. At the same time, you need to brush up your basic English grammar. Can I get the topic,
Yes.
please? Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Do you like surprises?
Yes, I like surprises, but if they are happy surprises, not the sad ones or the bitter ones.
Okay, so answer is extremely short for part 3. Part 3 is very important part of IELTS speaking. There they check your band score for band 7, 8, 9. So if your answer is only one sentence, then you will get very low band score. So try to elaborate further. Okay, how do you react to surprises?
It depends on what surprises. If it is happy, then I react very happily, and if they are the bad ones, then I react with sorrow.
Okay, all right. So work hard with your IELTS speaking and wish you all the best, right? Thank you.
Thank